Welcome, my friend, to getting started with playing guitar. I'm so excited that you're here. We are getting ready to have a spectacular time learning the guitar. Before we begin, if you would do me this solid, please, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, there's a share button. If you would please share this with your Twitter and Facebook friends, and there's even an opportunity to email this to your friends. So other folks that you know are wanting to learn to play guitar, this would be a great opportunity to share that love. As you know, I am very passionate about playing and teaching folks how to play the guitar, and you can help me in spreading that message and getting this word out to folks and teaching the world how to play guitar. All right? So there's two other things that I also want to show you. One is how to get around this site. What button does what, how to navigate through the site, and that sort of thing. The other thing is the construct of this course. I want to show you what we're going to be doing, when we're going to be getting to it, and how quickly you are going to learn how to master this instrument, okay? This is a really important video, so I want you to make sure that you watch it all the way to the end, and this will really help you wrap your mind around where we're going and what we're going to do. All right, let's go over to the video.
Okay, so I want to show you the course outline and show you some site functionality. This video is super important because it's really going to help you be organized and be on task and help you to master the guitar as quickly as possible. Okay, so as you can see, I have this sectioned off into modules, and in each one of those modules we have several videos. Now, I've specifically set this course up in the order that it is here on the screen. Okay, and if you were to follow it, starting at this introduction video, which is where we're at right now, and then follow it to Module 1, working just like you would read a book, it's going to assure that you are building a solid foundation and you're not missing any pieces, okay? There's a method to the madness here, and I've specifically set this up so that you understand everything, okay? Now, as in all my other courses, there is a Mark Lecture Complete functionality in here, which after you get done watching the lecture and reviewing the PDF and understanding all the principles that are in that specific lecture, there's a little button that you can click that will allow you to mark that lecture complete, so that if you're on your computer or your iPad or wherever you're viewing these, you'll be in the same place. It's like a bookmark, and you'll know exactly where you're at in the course. This will help keep you on task and keep you from doing anything repetitive that unnecessarily. Okay? As you know, I'm very passionate about teaching, and I love to let people know. So if you would share that love over here on the left hand side of the screen here, tweeting it, liking it, pinning it, emailing it, all that good stuff. Take a moment, if you would, please, and share that with folks so that they too can get the same free lecture here, the same understanding on the guitar that you have been afforded. So please do that for me. That is the course right there, friends. If you also, one other thing, if you wanted to find out what's in a specific lecture, you could click on the name, on the title, and then you're going to get a little description there, just like that. Okay? So, have fun. I'm so excited that you're here. You're finally going to learn guitar. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. Let's get rolling. I'll see you in the next video.